only with grounding people are having great effects. So it's just about reconnecting with Mother Earth. There is some scientific research on grounding. It's a science, or earthing. You can find it out. So that's the same as we need our balance, and we need the elements within us. Like we need to drink water, we need the minerals. We need all the minerals in ourselves. We need the air. So we also need the earth, and we need to have this contact with earth. Sometimes just to be barefoot in the earth, walking barefoot, because it helps you to balance your electromagnetic field on your body. So to connect with earth, to reconnect with earth, and just to feel earth through the soles of your feet, or when you are gardening, also through the palms of your hands. And so it will balance your electromagnetic field, and you can find out more about it and those researches. And it shows a lot of effect on people who has problems on the joints, like arthritis. Feeling Mother Earth, walking barefoot again, feeling the mother. And this also activates all your nervous system. All these little reflexology points in the sole of your feet. It activates your nervous system. And maybe when you touch the earth, and at some points you can activate all the glands on your body, even your pineal gland. And of course, your heart.